Logo is an unique identity for your company. A professional logo can increase your company's brand value. Today I am going to show you about Designhill's custom logo service. Through Designhill's logo design service, you will get the opportunity to have many skilled designers work for your company's logo. The service you will get from here are custom logo design, logo and business card design, logo and social media pack design, logo and brand identity design. Now let's see how it works. First, you have to choose industry and style from here. Then pick color and create a brief. Launch your design contest and then announce a winner. So let's start the video. Here are some design options. Since I need custom logo, so I choose the first option, which is custom logo design. Here you will be asked to choose the industry that you are in. You can select from this list or you can search for on industry. I will go for construction option, then hit the continue button. Next you have to choose a minimum 5 different design style that you like. This really helps the designer to understand your style and what is you are looking for. Here I choose these 5 designs. Next step, you get to pick your color. Designhill will tell you that every color has different uses. I choose green and blue color. Then click next step. This step you will be asked to sign up Designhill account. Since I already have that account, so I log in. In this step you will get some more detail and fill your design brief. By default, Designhill does provide a title for you. I am going to edit this. In the next question, you will be asked for your company name. My company name is Buildstone. Moving on next step, you can enter your slogan. My company slogan is Construction LLC. I already select industry. Then here you give your actual brief. It will give proper direction to the designer. Next you will type the different types of logos that you like. If you like wordmark logo, then you select wordmark. If you like letter logo, then you select letter. If you like emblem logo, then you select emblem. And the last but not least, you have an option to upload file if you would like. After filling all options, I hit the continue button. Here you have to select a package. What is you need and which features make the most sense for your business. Each package has different features. Here I select standard package. Now starting at the top, you have an option to send paid invites the designer to participate in your contest. You can also change it to refundable. If you would like for more details, check the refund policy. I would suggest to you select non-refundable option. Then you can see different add-ons that you can pick. Here are some ranges like top designer, feature project, highlight project, private project, hidden project, which is recommended. Also have NDA, white label presentation, even a voting poll which is neat. Also you can create different design from here like envelope design, letterhead design, business card design, Facebook cover design, Twitter header design, t-shirt design, app icon design, LinkedIn cover design. Finally you can select the duration. From there I select 3 days duration. Then hit the proceed. Where you can quickly confirm your project details and place your order. After that logo design contest will be posted. You just sit back and watch this submission. You will get dozens of design submission and you have to choose the one that you like the most. That design will be winner of your design contest. The winning designer will be sent all the logo files including AI, JPG, PDF, PSD and EPS. I am giving the Designhill custom logo maker tools link in the description box. You can go and visit the website. So if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.